Hello, YouTube. This vlog is not about me apparently. It is about my dog. Yeah, my husband thinks a poop should have his own, I guess,
His own
blog.
blog.
So, this is all about him. I'm gonna point the camera at him and talk. Boots, look. Look. Look up. Okay. This is Boots. He's 2.5. He just had a birthday. Yeah. He's a summer. Some of this, some of that, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. He is on his favorite pillow. He's a house dog, all 50 pounds. He thinks he's a baby. In his mind, he thinks he's a big old baby. He needs obedience school, but you know.
Stop lying to the people.
He is
Boots.
pretty much a good dog until he gets hyper.
Boots.
When he's in trouble, he tends to shake and pee a little bit, which usually gets him in more trouble. He pretends like when you call him, he's in trouble. He tries to ignore you like the first time you call him, and then he'll come. Look at this one. I just want you people to look at this one.
I don't know what you're looking at.
I don't know who gives me the most trouble, the dog or him. I don't know. They're pretty much in the same category right now.
I don't get beat on the nose though.
No, he doesn't. He doesn't get beat on the nose. Someone else. Yeah. Yeah, try to hide yourself. But, this is Boots. You see, trying to eat the camera.
Oh, my eyes. I'll see it.
Just lazy people on YouTube.
My eyes.
I think he's going blind. Anybody out there? Want to help him? Oh, he has on his army t-shirt. He's not showing army toughness right now.
I'll show you army toughness.
Suck it up.
Squeeze, squeeze. That's a little army humor for y'all. Ow. More army humor. Shouldn't hit that time. Oops. That's the end of the show.
He is still himself, regardless. Whatever that is doing. Oh, sorry. I lost focus. But, yeah. This is Boots. He's confused. You can call him anything. I don't think he really even knows his name, really Boots. And he's had that all 2.5 years of his whole life. So. Like, look. Come here, Simba. Come here. Hey, mister. Come here, Simba. Come here, Simba. Come here, Simba. Come here. Blanket. Come here, Blanket. Come, Blanket. Come here, Blanket. Come here, Boo. He does not know his name. But anyway, that's the end of the Boots show. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Okay, that's his bye-bye. You gonna say bye-bye? Yeah, that's his bye-bye.
That's not his bye-bye. I get him to say bye.
No. Say bye-bye. There is no trash can. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye.
Don't look at me. Say bye.
Yeah, say bye, Boots.
I'm not Boots. Boots is a dog.
Say bye, Boots.
Say bye. Bye-bye.
Told you his name is Boots. Peace out.